Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a wallet here in Spendee. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once you're in here on your dashboard, you could go ahead over to wallets right here. And if you can't see this specific dashboard, just tap on wallets once more and it should be landed to the same exact page. And as you can see here, I have two wallets. Let's say, for example, I'm going to delete the specific wallet that says access cash. Okay. Tap on it. Now go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three dots, and here we have the delete button. Just tap on it and you'll receive a prompt. It says here, do you really want to delete this wallet? So if you're really sure, just tap on delete and you're good to go. Another option is by going to the more section right here at the bottom right, tap on it, and here we have manual wallet. Tap on it. Now select this specific wallet, tap. Delete button is available here as well. Tap on it, tap on delete, wait for it to load, and once done, it's gone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.